Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, event and wedding planner from Chic Events and Designs, and I specialize in boutique theme parties as well as weddings. I'm also a member of BNI Sierra from KL West, Malaysia. Now, if you've ever visited a BNI chapter or you're currently a member of one, you know that week in, week out, the members are given 30 seconds to share with everybody present an aspect about their business. This 30 seconds is meant to be engaging yet informative, whereby we educate our visitors as well as members things about our business that we want them to know. The idea is that in the long run, everybody will be able to learn everything there is to know about your business. So here I'm sharing with you my 30 seconds presentations, or also known as elevator pitches. Enjoy!